Hello, Namaste અને હાઉઝીમાં તમારું સ્વાગત છે. હું જેતલ and today we'll be doing the project overview of Godrej Heritage Estate, which is located right here in Vadodara, Gujarat, a project developed by Godrej Properties. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, plot size, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. अनलाइक करंट लिस्टिंग प्लेटफॉर्म जहां अगर आप एक इंक्वायरी कर लेते हो तो आपका कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर शेयर हो जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ एंड रिजल्टिंग इन टू मेनी फोन कॉल्स. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. तो फिर यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़िए and book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now about the project overview, and this project is spread across 34 acres of grand land parcel and there are total of 501 plots coming up in the land parcel. And now about the location. So the project is located near to Ajwa Theme Park in Vadodara, Gujarat. So you can connect to Ajwa Lake in just 500 meters. Rameshra Road is 1.5 kilometers and even you can connect to Parul University and 10 kilometers from the location of the project. Now about the amenities part, and the project is coming up with 30 plus amenities like a fitness center, yoga and meditation zone, floral garden, swimming pool, kids play area and many more amenities. Now about the plot sizes. So here the plots are starting from 1200 square feet to 2400 square feet. Coming to the booking process, so the project booking window is operational right now, so we are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can directly proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Godrej Heritage Estate located in Vadodara, Gujarat, the project developed by Godrej Properties.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.